Want to collage videos on Instagram? Watch this. First, open the Instagram app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the plus icon. Here, select Reel from the bottom menu. Tap on the camera icon in the top left corner to open the Reel Creation tool. Next, on the left side, tap on Layout. By default, you'll see a 2x2 layout. After that, tap on Change Grid to explore more layout options. Choose the grid style you want, for example, a 2x3 grid. For the first section of your collage, start recording directly. Next, for the second section, whether you can record or choose from the gallery. Here, I am going with the Photos app. Scroll and select the video from the gallery. After that, click on Next, and the video is added. Now, for the last section, press and hold on the camera button to record the video. Once you're done adding all clips, tap the check mark in the middle at the bottom. Instagram will now process the collage. After that, tap on Next. Now add text, stickers, music, and other effects to enhance your video collage. Tap Next in the bottom right. Here, write a caption. And tap Share to post your video collage. It will take a few seconds and the video is uploaded to your profile. And that's it.